Did you forget the Wi-Fi password your Windows PC was previously connected to? Well, if that's the case, here's a single CMD command you can use to reveal it in 30 seconds. All you've got to do is to access CMD, and from CMD you type netsh, which is short for network shell. Then you go wireless LAN, show profile. This allows us to list all the access points we previously connected to. So from all these wireless access points, all you've got to do is to identify that particular access point you need the password to. So once you've identified that, you then go ahead and type name. What's the name of the access point that we're after? So let's say we're after Cloud Connect. You'd notice that this device was connected to quite a lot of access points, and Cloud Connect is right close to the bottom over here. So we simply want that one. And with that in place, we'll go and say key equals clear, and this is to simply say we want that particular key or password in plain text. Press enter, and this will give us the password of that access point. And if we want to save all the passwords or export them to a folder of our choice, we can type network shell and specify that this is wireless LAN, and we are exporting all the profiles. So we simply go and type profile over there, and the key must be clear. And then we can then say they should go to a particular folder. In this case, we simply want those to go into our pictures. So if we press enter over there, it will begin the process of saving all those profiles to our destination folder. And if you can just quickly pull up one of those profiles. So here am I in my pictures folder, and you can see they're currently in XML, but we could have done any other format of our choice. And if you look closely, you can see the profile name on each of these files, and there we have Cloud Connect. So if we double click on Cloud Connect to open it, there it opens, and here we can see the name of the SSID. We can also see its hex format. We can see that that's Cloud Connect. We can also see the various authentication methods that are used, and we can see that here under passphrase, the password is clearly stated for us. So this is how you could export the SSID profile together with their passwords to a USB drive or any other folder of your choice. So did this command work for you, or you had an error? Let me know in the comment section what version of Windows you're running, and I'll help you troubleshoot it. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.